This is 13310 Parkside Terrace in Country Glen in Cooper City. This is the exterior of the house. I'm going to walk around the side, and I'm also going to show you the neighborhood a little bit quickly. You can see how they have these big trees that line the streets. You're right across the way from the tennis courts and the basketball courts in the park area in the community. It's the side yard. So one of the things that you will be looking for when you purchase a home in Florida is you want it to have either accordion shutters or impact windows. This has neither. This will have regular shutters. Okay, walking in the main area, you see here vaulted ceilings, living room area, hardwood floors. Turn to the right, the dining area. Hi, these are the listing agents. So, may I?
Yeah, the owner's in there with.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna. I'll be okay. We'll zip around.
I'll open the doors for you.
Awesome. Thank you. Oh, I like the kitchen floors. Yeah.
Brazilian cherry floor.
It's very nice. Okay, cool. Thank you. So I will go into the garage. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So the 3-car garage. Let's get a bird's eye view. Those are the shutters I was telling you about. Okay. So, bar area.
Then you have the master on that side.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you probably know them all.
I do. I live next door to it, and I almost purchased it. Like, yeah.
So you know what you're doing.
Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, I love that the master's on the first floor, and this is an office area that I know about. Mm-hmm. Cabana bath takes you out to the pool.
The backyard when you're ready.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the cool thing about the bedrooms in this unit home is that they have this extra area here for an office area or workout area, which most people have a workout area. Let's see this to the pool. Okay, you walk into the bathroom area, you're gonna have 2 walk-in closets. Here's one. Nook thing. And 2. Master bath. Toilet area. Which, is falling apart.
No. Yo pensé que iba a estar mucho mejor adentro. Sí, yo también.
Which is everyone going out to the pool this way or through the middle? Okay. Oh, okay. Got you. Okay. I'll go back. the pool area. Because the water is back over there. They have a solar cover up there on the roof to heat the pool.
Tiene una oficina aquí también, no sé si lo viste.
Sí, la vi.
Go upstairs. So this area is a loft, and they glassed it off to make it a possible bedroom.
Thank you.
Good size room, but this usually opens up to the rest of the house. You can easily take the glass down, so it's just more open area. It's a Jack and Jill bathroom into the next home. Double sinks. And this is bedroom number 2. This regular closet. There we go. That's a little better. Bedroom number 3. Another Jack and Jill bathroom. Shower. And bedroom number 4. A little closet, linen closet. Just kidding.